Okay, welcome to another system test with the MS5UD. I don't think I actually uploaded the last system test, so I'll have to upload that. So we might get two back to back, but this one maybe this one's mostly Gentex. There's most of the alarms are Gentex, but you'll see that somewhere. I don't know if this is working, but I'll see. We can just test it. I think the light's blinking on it, so we'll see if that works. Yeah, the light's blinking, so we'll see about that. I'm probably going to get some of that smoke for it, but yeah. So we'll do a I guess walk around. So obviously panel. Don't have the batteries plugged in right now. That's fine. So of course 270 SPL. System sensor I3 panel. This is a Commander 3 strobe. Go follow the wires over here to this Gentex Commander 3 on a back box that doesn't even fit it. I don't know if the horn is on this. Last time I checked, the horn wasn't on. Of course, we got the exit sign. God, is it? Yeah, this is a BG8. I'm getting a little rusty on my models. Pretty sure this is a BG8. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah. Let's go over here to this alarm. My second alarm, Gentex Commander 1, that is like falling off. So I had to put tape on it. It won't fall off. I don't have a screw for it, so it kind of likes to fall off. Then over here, we got a simplex strobe plate with a wheel lock bell. I think it's a 12 or 10 inch bell. Forget. But so first let's open up the panel. What should we do? Do I have a? Oh, I can't even test the SPL because I don't have a flathead screwdriver. Should have thought about that, so I guess we aren't going to be able to use that today. But I'll probably leave it up for the next system. Let's see. Do I have a hex key down here somewhere? I highly doubt that this fits in it, but maybe. Let's see. Yeah, it does. Let's see if this works. No? Wait, how do you test these? Oh. I need a magnet. Where's the magnet? I don't know. Forget how to test these. Let's pull this, I guess. Let me find the right key first. There's too many keys in here. That's it. Okay, so we'll pull this in 3, 2, 1. This isn't even working. That's a little loud. Let's see here. Get the key in. Okay. Now we can reset. Let's acknowledge the trouble. Battery trouble. Let's do a drill, since I can't pull this. Let's do a drill. Oh, that's a pretty cool system. Weird. That's it. I guess this decided not to work. At least the other day the strobe was flashing. I guess, just didn't want to work today. But, yeah, so thanks for watching. Next system I'll probably get a magnet and test that. Yeah, thanks for watching.